So they're riding there and then dadalhin sila sa taas. Diba? I don't know kung gaano sila katagal. So I'm still on the line. Tingnan natin. Bibili ako ng ticket para ma-experience natin. Is this working now?
Yeah. Which one?
I'll try.
What can I get for you?
Yeah, can I get one for... Yeah, one adult, please.
Yeah.
How long will you be staying?
So it's half an hour.
Half an hour.
Is that right?
Yeah.
The next spot I can pop you in is a 3:30.
Half 3.
In the world.
Alright. So I'll be paying by my card.
You'd be surprised so many people, they all call the same way, we don't know that. In my name,
What's inside, by the way? What's inside?
There's a bar.
That's a bar.
Right. And then it's a big just glass windows.
To put it
You can see it all over the sea, all over Brighton.
Yeah.
in Italy, there'll be a lot of people with the same name as surname.
Can I take a first and last name? Yes, again.
Ryan.
Yeah.
Last name?
Inofinada. I-N-O. I know it's difficult. F-I-N-A-D-A.
That is 2050.
Yep.
There you go. Perfect. Grab your receipt as well. So if you come back in about 10 minutes,
Oh yeah.
they'll call you through to boarding and security, and then you'll be on the pod in about 5:30.
Oh, so that will be in 10 minutes now. From now.
Yes.
Alright, I will be around, so
Yeah,
so
go to the sun, grab a coffee.
well, we're planning to get a coffee first. So, oh, is there a coffee upstairs as
There's
well?
not coffee upstairs, there's only coffee here.
Oh,
There
so-
is drinks. And then
So, but we can bring drinks inside though. Yeah.
yeah, just tell them that you're going to go on the pod and they'll give it to you in a plastic cup.
And I'm gonna show this ticket
Yeah, just show that to the board and they'll get you one.
now or later.
Later when they call you through.
Thanks a million.
No worries.
Alright, so nakabili na tayo ng ticket.
Boarding closes at
3:30. 35, yeah, okay.
25.
3:25.
That is closed. So you have
Alright.
to come through about 10 past, quarter past.
Alright, so I will just be sitting around here, so I don't think that's a problem. So, yeah.
So in the next 5 minutes, if you want to come
In the
through.
next 5 minutes, yeah.
Perfect.
Is that okay if I bring something to drink inside?
Yeah, so if you just let them know you're going on the pod,
Oh, yeah.
they'll give it to you in the right cup.
Oh, so there's a different cup for that one.
Yeah, it's just you can't take glass in the pod,
Oh, yeah.
so they give it to you in just a different bar.
I understand. Thanks a million. Kape. Oh, that's fine.
That's fine,
Yeah.
Yeah, paper, plastic, it's all good. It's just can't take glass out.
Oh, yeah. I'm not really planning on holding a glass in there, but anyway, thank you. Thanks a million. Paano papasok? Saan ang pasokan? Ah, doon. Ayan na siya, oh. Oh. So, parang sasakay tayo ng spaceship. Oh. So, pababa na sila. Tapos doon tayo sasakay. Ah, so kailangan umakyat doon sa taas, I think. Doon, oh. Meron doon, ano. Tignan natin. Bababaan na sila. Parang ano. Tignan dyan sa baba. Kunti lang yung mga nandun sa loob. Ayan o. Ayan na sila, yung mga tao sa loob. Alright, papasok na tayo. Dami din. Parang mas madami ngayon pero kumpara nung kanina. Ito Tapos may souvenir shop din pala dyan. Oh, ito na. Okay. Welcome. Oh. So, merong mga upuan dyan. May bar. Okay. Tapos may TV. Tapos may mga upuan, basically. Nasaan na? Ito yung mga ano. Ito yung mga dapat puntahan dito sa Brighton Station. Doon tayo galing.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome on board the Brighton 360. As we head up into the skies, feel free to walk around. Check out Brighton's best views from every angle. Don't forget the events in the south coast of Brighton. So if you fancy a glass of bubbles, a beer, or even a soft drink, then please come see us. My name's Jo, and I'm on board with Tyson and Ollie, and we will see you at the top.
See ya. Ayun pala. Doon pa, hanggang doon sa pinakataas. Doon, akit yun. Tapos ikutin natin doon sa ano. Wait lang, pakita ko yan. Sila makikita na yung mga nasa baba. Ayan o, daming tao. Nag-enjoy sa beach. Oh. Tapos ikutin natin dito. Nice. Tataas pa yan. Parang hindi na kasi masyadong klaro yung ano, yung view sa labas gawa ng itong glass na to. So nag-stretch pala siya hanggang dun. Okay. Try natin dito sa kabilang side naman. Dito. Oh. Okay. So medyo mataas-taas pa. Mataas na to pero medyo mataas-taas pa. Nice. Ikot ulit tayo. People. Oh, sorry. Yung France nandun daw. France. Champion Wind Farm. Ito yung West Pier. So, ang France nandoon. Yan ang nakasulat dyan eh. Ayan, France daw, tsaka Champion Wind Farm. So, bakit di ko makita? Baka kailangan ng binoculars para makita. So, ito yung mga kasama ko. Yeah. It's my TV dyan. Fairness, medyo mataas pa yung ano, iangat. Ganda ng view dito. Ang ganda ng view. Wow. Wow. It's yung beach nandito. Wow. Okay. So meron pang naiiwan. Madami, medyo mahaba pa. Yeah. Okay. Ganda sana. Ay, bumababa na. Bumababa na tayo.